Here I've got Doogee S50 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone. To do it, just tap on power key, hold it for a while and then select power off. Confirm that you would like to shut down your phone by tapping on OK. And as only your phone is off, just tap on power key and volume up key and hold both keys all together. And as only you see Doogee logo, you can leave it. And as you can see here, you are in recovery mode, in which you can navigate by using both volume up and down keys, and for selection use power key. So all you have to do is to locate wipe cache partition, so let me go a bit lower, here it is, and then tap on power key to select it. And as you can see, cache wipe complete, so we can reboot system now. To do it, click on power key since reboot system now is marked, so smoothly tap on power key and wait until you are back in the normal mode. And that's it. As you can see, now you can use your phone with all apps active, and you've just wiped cache. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.